Sally, she's my golden retriever. I've had her
Go Ivan!
12, almost 13 years. Then I have Buddha, he was a rescue. I don't know, I just think I've always had a thing for animals when I was growing up, and I grew up in a pretty rough neighborhood, and I think that was the only thing that was, positive. I couldn't stand to see her in pain at that, and the fact that there was nothing I can do to help her, besides medication. It was rough, I went to Nature's Variety Instinct Raw. Hands down, the best food I've ever tried if you want to see results quickly. The craziest thing happened. One day, I came out with the bowl of food, and she actually started spinning and jumping like a teenager. It was amazing. I've never seen that before. She would not do that before. It's just an entirely new dog. If you want to just get up and laugh in the morning, he is that dog. Buddha was about to be put down. I asked, what's the situation? And he said, oh, it's going to be whatever amount, and they want to pay for it. So I said, all right, I'll pay for it, but if he survives, then it's a blessing to have him. Literally have a bowl, and he'll sit there and just drool. I mean, I've never seen them react to food the way they do. I think it's just like with humans, it's nutrition. Whatever you put in your body, that's what you're going to get. I honestly believe that the fact that they're healthy dogs, and they're just gonna be here with me longer and with her, and we have such a connection to them that it would hurt to lose them.
Raw has made for Sally and Buddha.
Okay, and now we'd like to recognize some Petco partners whose stores have excelled at transforming the lives of pets through Instinct Raw.
So please hold your applause until the end. And winners, as we call your name, please stand to be recognized by your fellow partners. We'd like to congratulate Marisol Cardella from the Arizona region, Kelly Ritz from the Northwest region, Nicholas DeRico from the Midwest region, Teresa Winker-Francis from the Southwest region,
Efren Hernandez from the Southeast region, Joshua Axelman from the Northeast region, Lisa Scribner from the Mid-Atlantic region, and finally, Jenny Salas. Congratulations to all of you. These 8 individuals have led their store teams to drive the highest raw sales in their regions. To recognize you for these great results, I'm excited to announce we're going to feed your pets raw free for 1 year.
Nice!
In addition, Nature's Variety will donate $500 to the pet charity of your choice in your honor. To make a difference in the lives of pets every day. I'm also excited to announce that we'll be recognizing the outstanding supporters of RAW from each region on an annual basis going forward, so be sure to tune in next year as well.
Finally, I'd like to thank you for our partnership, and I'd like to invite each and every one of you to